You've had the discovery call, the client's excited. Now it's time to put everything in writing before you dive into design. A clear project scope, realistic timeline, and solid proposal help you set expectations, avoid confusion, and get paid with confidence. In this lesson, I'll walk you through how to create all three so your projects stay smooth and your clients stay happy. Step 1. Define the project scope. Your scope outlines exactly what's included and, just as importantly, what's not. Start by listing every deliverable. Number of pages, home, about, services, contact, etc. Features, forms, integrations, mobile optimization, etc. Revisions included, typically 1 to 2 rounds. Platform, WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, etc. Who provides what? Content, images, hosting. Also note anything not included. Branding, copywriting, SEO, stock photos, etc. Unless you're offering those too. Being this detailed helps avoid scope creep. Those "can we just add this" requests that derail your time and budget. Step 2. Set a clear timeline. Clients appreciate structure. A clear timeline makes you look professional and keeps everyone accountable. Example timeline. Week 1, discovery and strategy. Week 2, wireframes and mood board. Week 3-4, full design. Week 5, revisions. Week 6, launch. Be sure to factor in client feedback windows, your availability, holidays or off days, buffer time. Always give yourself more than you think you'll need. Also include consequences for delays, like pushing back the launch or charging a late fee if feedback is overdue. Step 3. Write a professional proposal. Now package it all together. Your proposal should include a short intro and recap of your discovery call, project goals, scope of work, clear list of what's included, timeline, investment, your price plus optional tiers, payment terms, deposit, milestones, final, signature, and next steps. You can use tools like Notion, Canva, Google Docs, or export a branded PDF from your CRM. Keep it clean, client-focused, and confidence-building. Step 4. Send and follow up. Once your proposal is ready, send it with a short message. Hey, client, here's the proposal based on everything we discussed. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to walk you through it. Once it's approved, I'll send over the contract and invoice to get started. Then follow up in 2-3 days if you haven't heard back. Don't be shy. Clients get busy, and a friendly reminder shows you're organized and reliable. Pro tip: save your proposal as a template so you're not starting from scratch every time. You can tweak details, but your system stays solid. A clear scope, timeline, and proposal protect your time, reduce stress, and make your clients trust you more. In the next lesson, we'll talk about onboarding clients like a pro, what to do after they say yes to make the project start strong and stay smooth. Let's keep your business running like a business.